Good morning. Hello, my little sunshine. How are you all? Are you enjoying seeing videos? Yes? Very good. Do you know which shape we have learnt in the previous session? We have learnt circle. Which shape is this? Circle. And which color? Red color. So now let's do a quick recap of circle. Now let's sing a rhyme on circle. I am a circle, I am a circle, nice and round, nice and round. I have no corners, I have no corners. I roll around, I roll around. This is a button. This is a biscuit. This is a banana cut into round slice. This is a wheel. This is a sun. All these are related to shape circle. Now we are going to learn a new shape, square. See children, this is a square. Say with me, this is a square. So children, now we'll sing a rhyme. Come on, stand up everyone. Right. I am a shape, I am a shape. My name is square, my name is square. I have 4 sides and all are equal. I have 4 sides and all are equal. Now, let's see the objects related to shape square. Shape square. Now we'll see the objects here. Tiffin box, handkerchief, chessboard, square shape, tea course, bread. Children love to eat bread and butter. We make different type of sandwiches with it. Let's learn some more pictures related to shape square. What is this? Biscuit. Do you love biscuit? Yes. Isn't it yummy and tasty? Even I love to eat biscuits. Clock. It tells us time. Carom. Kids love to play with carom. Bird. Birds fly in the sky. Let's do an activity. Children, look here. We have all different type of materials and now we are going to make a square with it. So, let's begin. For making the square, we are going to use straws, crayons, sticks, ice cream sticks, sketch pens and toothpicks. Look children, now we have crayons. We are going to make a square with these crayons. See, we are placing it on the side and a crayon here. Look children, what did we make? We made a square. Which shape is this? A square. Look children, now what we have? We have sticks. Now we are going to make a square with this. We place one here, another 2 on the side and last one here. See children, what did we make? We made a square. Which shape is this? It is a square. Look children, what we have now? We have ice cream sticks. Now we are going to make a square with these sticks. Ma'am is going to place here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look children, what did we make? We made a square. Which shape is this? Square. Look children, what are these? These are sketch pens. And now we are going to make a square with this. See, ma'am is placing the sketch pens. See children, what did we make? We made a square. Which shape is this? Square. Look children, what are these? These are small toothpicks. Now we are going to make a square with this. We are arranging them to make a shape square. See children, what did we make? We made a square. Which shape is this? Square. Look children, these are straws. And now we are going to make a square with this. We are going to place this on the sides like this and another one here. See children, what did we make? We made a square. Which shape is this? Square. Did you enjoy the activity? Okay then. Bye. See you in the next session.